If you still think stock market investing is complicated, that it's full of jargons and all, you just don't get it, then come here. So in this video, I'm going to break it down for you so that you at least have the basic knowledge of how stock market investing works. So first off, when you invest in a stock, think of it like you are investing in a business to become a part owner in that business. So the moment you purchase a stock, you are now a part owner of that business. Now the question you ask yourself, would you put your money in a business that you don't understand or in a business that you don't know? No, you wouldn't want to be a part of those. That is the reason why you need to understand any stock that you buy. So buying a stock means you are becoming a part owner in a business. That's the basic things. Now, how do you buy stocks? For you to buy stock, you need what is called a broker. Consider those as the middlemen between you and the stock that you want to buy. And depending on the location that you are, gone are the days where before you can buy a stock, you need to go to an office and go and meet a broker that will buy those stocks for you. Now, because of AI, technology and all you need is certain apps. So you just need an app of that broker that you want. And that is where you will now be buying the stocks that you want. If you are based in the UK, so many apps. We have the likes of Trading 212, Free Trades, Vanguard, Invest Engine, Interactive Brokers, eToro, all of them are there. If you are in Nigeria, you have the likes of Cardinal Stone, Stanbic, Bamboo, Meristem, all of them are there like that. If you are in the US as well, they have Vanguard, Charles Schwab, Robinhood, all of them are there. So depending on your location, that's what's going to determine the broker that you go for. So all you need to do is to download one of these. When you download it, you do normal KYC. Just register with your passport, driving license, or any other thing. And they will ask you some few questions just to know if you really know what you are doing. Because why they are doing that is just to save you from losing your money. Because stocks are high risk. Remember I said they are business. So business tends to be volatile. Business at some point, they will achieve a lot of profit. Some other time, they will not achieve a lot of profit. And all of these things, government policy, war, or any pandemic going, have an effect on stocks. So stocks tend to go up and down in terms of their prices. And if you don't do it right, if you don't do it without a knowledge, then if it goes down and you sell, you lose money. If it goes up, that's when you make money. So those are the things that you need to know about stock before you buy the stock. There are now certain things that you need to consider depending on your location. Usually, every country will have their tax advantages account. In the UK here, we have a stocks ISA. So which means any broker that you want to open, you need to open a broker that offers you that stock ISA so that it will protect you from paying tax on your gain in the future. If you are in Nigeria, the tax threshold is a bit high. It's like 100 million or so. If you are in the US, they also have their own tax advantages account. They have like the Roth IRA, 401k and all of those. So you need to look at all of this before you now say, this is the account I want to open with this stockbroker. And when you open that account, the next thing for you is to deposit money into those stockbroker. People will ask, is this safe? All you need to know is check if that broker that you want to go for is regulated. If it's in the UK, they need to be regulated by FCA, Financial Conduct Authority. If it's Nigeria, they need to be regulated by SEC. So if they are regulated, your money is safe. Then the moment you put money there, it's just a matter of search whatever stocks that you want to buy. But here is the catch. If you're somebody who is just starting and you don't want to disturb yourself about searching for all of these stocks and all, you know what? There are ways that you can do it. There is a passive way whereby you invest in what is called exchange traded funds. That's like a basket of companies that contains companies around the world across various sectors. So it is well diversified. You can go with that. Check for one that is globally diversified. If you are somebody who doesn't even want to do that, there's a way that expert can manage your money for you through investing in things like mutual fund. So there are so many ways that you can go about this. So it's not as complicated as you think it is. But make sure that you approach it with knowledge so that you are not going to lose your money. I hope you have at least a bit of the basic knowledge with this video. And that's the goal. If you have questions, drop it in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer all your questions.